Hello, this is Charles. I'm going to show you a customization available for GP in the form of a SQL trigger. This trigger prevents the AA window from appearing in payables, receivables, and any other module other than GL, where a user would be required or optionally should be entering an AA code. So we are in a payables transaction window. I've already filled out the first screen. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put in an account that is required. All right, so here we have a required account. Notice that as I go through it, it does not pop up the window. I'm going to go ahead and change this. I'm going to put in another account for an account that is optional. Again, no message. Now, let's say that the user forgot to put in the information. We're going to hit OK. We're going to save. And we're going to print an edit list. I'm only going to print this one. I could print the other two that will pop up, but the first one is going to tell us that there's a problem. So we're going to skip that and skip that. Right here, you'll notice that it says, this transaction contains errors. It won't be posted. It's missing transaction analysis information. Okay, that's the missing AA data. If we then go back, pull up our transaction, we'll go to distributions. We'll click on this button here, and you can see that this account is required. If we go ahead and select an item, save it, hit OK, hit OK again, save, and now print the edit list. No message. So again, with this customization, any module other than general ledger will be affected. Receivables, bank rec, payables, purchasing, inventory. Any of those modules will be affected. But again, the user will not be able to post unless they fill in the information. So even if they forget, they can go back. If they print the edit list, it will tell them there's a problem, and then they can go back and fill in the information.